Have you ever found yourself repeating a word, perhaps fork, over and over again until it morphs into a collection of strange sounds rather than a meaningful object? This common yet curious phenomenon is known as semantic satiation, a term coined by Leon James in 1962, though observations of its effects date back to ancient times. It's not just a trick of the mind, it's a specific perceptual fatigue where continuous repetition of a word causes its meaning to temporarily drain away, leaving only its phonetic shell. This effect highlights the intricate and often fragile connection between the sound of a word and the concept it represents in our brains. Imagine, for instance, a painter repeatedly sketching the same tree until the lines on the canvas cease to evoke a tree, becoming mere strokes of graphite. The essence of semantic satiation lies in this temporary breakdown of recognition, revealing how our brains process and maintain the meaning of language. At a neurological level, semantic satiation is believed to stem from neural fatigue in the brain's semantic network. When you hear or say a word, specific neural pathways associated with its meaning are activated. For example, the word apple might light up pathways connected to fruit, red, sweet, and even memories of eating an apple. Constant repetition overstimulates these pathways, causing the neurons responsible for that word's meaning to become temporarily exhausted or inhibited. This is akin to a muscle getting tired after continuous exertion. It simply needs a break to recover its full strength. The brain, being an incredibly efficient organ, tries to filter out redundant information, and repeated words fall into this category, leading to a temporary desensitization. Our working memory uses two main systems to process verbal information: the phonological loop and the visuospatial sketchpad. Semantic satiation primarily impacts the phonological loop, which is responsible for holding and manipulating speech-based information. When a word is repeated, the phonological loop continuously reactivates its auditory representation, detaching it from its deeper semantic connections. Think of it like a DJ scratching a record. The sound itself is prominent, but its original context or melody becomes secondary to the repetitive noise. This continuous rearticulation prevents the brain from accessing the semantic network effectively, creating a temporary barrier between the sound and its associated meaning. The word becomes a pure sound, stripped of its cognitive load, similar to how staring at a familiar face for too long can make it seem alien. Semantic satiation isn't exclusive to words. Similar phenomena occur across other sensory modalities, suggesting a broader principle of perceptual adaptation. For instance, if you continuously stare at a specific color, like a bright red, for an extended period, your perception of that color may temporarily weaken, and you might see its complementary color, green, more vividly when you look away. This is called color fatigue. Similarly, repetitive tactile stimulation, such as a constant vibration, can lead to a temporary loss of sensation. The brain is constantly adjusting its sensitivity to maintain optimal processing of novel stimuli, effectively filtering out anything that becomes monotonous or redundant. This adaptive mechanism, while causing semantic satiation with words, is ultimately a survival tool, ensuring we remain alert to new information in our environment. Fortunately, the effects of semantic satiation are temporary and easily reversible. Simply taking a short break from repeating the word, or even just thinking about its meaning rather than saying it aloud, can quickly restore its semantic richness. The neural pathways simply need a moment to reset and recover from the continuous activation. This brief pause allows the inhibited neurons to regain their firing potential, bringing the word's meaning back into sharp focus. It's a testament to the brain's incredible plasticity and its ability to constantly recalibrate its perceptions and understanding of the world. So, the next time fork sounds like an alien utterance, a moment of silence is all it takes to bring it back to earth.